can't keep filming the same uninspired tricks in the same old spot. We need to find a new spot that no one has ever seen.
There is no such thing as a spot that no one has seen. Do you know how many skaters there are in this town? Oh, what is that? Shiny, shiny.
Oh man, what is that around your neck?
That? Oh, that's just a stone carving of the lost skate spot. The greatest skate spot ever known to man.
Goggles, fire up your camera. We're finding this spot.
I'm gonna die. I may as well do it skating.